Good morning, all. Today, my seminar topic is subclass Prototheria. In this class, mainly we discuss about egg-laying mammals. Subclass Prototheria. The name originates from the Greek word that protos means first and therian means animal. That is, the first form of animals are seen in this class. Prototheria is a group of primitive egg-laying mammals represented today by a single order, namely Monotremata, which means monos means single and trema means opening. There are several salient features of this group as follow. The first feature is that hairy covering of the body. Mostly the animals or the organisms seen in this group contain a hairy covering on their body. And the absence of pinna in the ear, nipples in mamma, epiphysis in vertebra, tympanic bulla in skull, corpus callosum in brain, teeth in adults and uterus in females. Presence of coracoid and interclavicle in pectoral girdle and epipubis in pelvic girdle. Presence of cervical ribs. Single-headed ribs with capitulum only, which means tuberculum is absent. Presence of diaphragm and four-chambered heart in mammal group, corpora quadrigemina, mammary glands and three ear ossicles. Cochlea of inner ear is only a small uncoiled process of the sacculus. Presence of cloaca into which digestive tract and urinary and genital ducts open. Testes are abdominal in position. Females are oviparous. Order Monotremata. Surviving Prototherians belongs to single order, namely Monotremata. Include two families, Ornithorhynchidae and Tachyglosidae or Echinidae. Ornithorhynchidae comprises only one genus, namely Ornithorhynchus, which is also known as duck-billed platypus, and Tachyglosidae includes two closely allied genera, Tachyglossus, which is also known as spiny anteater, and Saglossus, long-snouted Proechidna. First example is Ornithorhynchus anatius, which is popularly known as duck-billed platypus or duck mole, because the beak of this animal is similar to duck. That is, we know that the beak of duck is somewhat flat shaped, long beak, and it is a small semi-aquatic egg-laying mammal. It lives in burrows near the banks of ponds. Body covered by soft, dense, and dark brown hair without sweat glands in the skin. Short and flat tail and webbed digits specialized for swimming. Upper jaw modified into a flat and leathery bill or beak similar to bill of duck. It contains receptors which can sense electromagnetic signals from the muscles from other animals. The food may be stored in cheek pouches. Degenerate teeth are present in young ones, but they are soon lost and replaced by horny epidermal plates used for breaking molluscan shells. Eyes are small with nictitating membrane, eyes without pinna. Limbs are short and strong, their digits are webbed and clawed. Claws of forelimb used for digging. Males has a horny spur on the inner side of the tarsus called tarsal spur. It is a poison gland and used for poison predators. Ornithorhynchus is oviparous. It has a curious mode of self-defense. When frightened, alarmed, or threatened, it curls to a ball just like pangolins do when frightened. The second example is Tachyglossus aculeatus. It is commonly called short-snouted echidna or spiny anteater. It is a oviparous mammal. It is nocturnal, burrowing, terrestrial form, feeding on ants and termites. Its body has a coarse, hairy covering Some are modified into sharp and pointed spines. Sweat glands are absent in the skin. The ant-eating adaptation of the animal include long, tuber snout, protrusible and sticky tongue, large salivary glands, and strong and clawed digits. Clawed digits are used for burrowing, also for breaking ant hills and termiteria. Sticky tongue collects ants and other insects. Salivary secretion neutralizes the formic acid of ant. Head is small, jaws are toothless and prolonged to form the snout, with a terminal mouth. Eyes are small without nictitating membrane. Earlobe or pinna is absent. Limbs are short and strong and digits are clawed. The second digit of the hind limb bears a toilet claw used to clean the hairs and spines. In male, there is a horny and grooved tarsal spur or poison spur in the tarsus and a poison gland in the thigh. Tarsal spur is used as an offensive and defensive weapon. Tail is vestigial. After mating, female lays one or two leathery eggs in the burrow or nest. Soon, she transfers them to the cutaneous pouch in her abdomen called incubitoria or mammary pouch. Is formed in breeding season. Often, she curls up and lays eggs directly into the pouch. The mother carries the young ones until its birth starts irritating her. Sometimes the male also develops functional milk glands and secrete milk to feed the young ones. This condition is called gynecomastism. Echidna has an indigenous method of self-defense. When frightened or threatened, it quickly digs out a burrow using its forelimbs and gets into it with only a few spines projecting out of the burrow. Also, it and roll to a curl for protections. Thank you all.